Okay, welcome to Spare Jeans Made to Measure. Here's Prosper.
Hi.
And he's going to be showing us how to cut and sew a pair of selvage denim jeans. These are the jeans that he's going to be showing us how to make. They have a lot of really interesting details on them, some stitching on the back pocket, rivets, and very importantly, there's this flat fell seam here on the back yoke, which is an older way of making denim jeans. We'll be showing you some other ways later on in the video. And we're going to be using this fabric from Kuroki in Japan. It's a raw denim, the one at the top, and these just kind of show how it fades over time as you wear them. These are the patterns that we're using. There's 3 different sizes, and Prosper is in another video going to show us how to make the pattern, but for this video it's just going to be doing the cut and sew. And the type of cut that we're doing is called the boxer cut. It's made by Prosper, and it's for kind of muscular people, so it's got a big thigh, and so for people that go to the gym, that kind of thing. So let's get started.
Okay, so this is how I start. No waste materials. Don't waste materials, don't waste the fabric, and I'll always want to see the red self-edge or whatever self-edge you have. So, yes. Why I drew the line here. This is like a green line, so when you put the parts, you're not losing the green line. You always have the right angle, that you're not cutting your fabric like this or like that. You're not gonna lose, because now you have a perpendicular line that considered as a green line. Green line is your guide, because most of the pattern has the green line. See, all of this one has it. So this is your guide when you cut the body. That's when you do it this every time. You memorize it.
How many pairs of jeans do you think you've made?
I have no idea, but when I was young, when I do the competition, I can finish 8 jeans a day.
Wow.
Yes, it's not a magic. You record it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. is good?
Yeah.
There. So, back body, front body, pocket facing, front and coin pocket with a self edge, button ply, back yoke left and right, back pocket left and right, waistband, belt loops, pocket bag. Thank you.